Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to insert multiple rows in Microsoft Excel quickly and efficiently. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open your Excel document where you want to add or insert multiple rows. Here's the document I'll be working with. Now the usual way to add a row is by right-clicking on any row and selecting Insert. But if you need to add multiple rows, doing this one by one can be time consuming, especially if you are working on a deadline. Instead, there's a faster method. Let's say I want to add 4 rows after the 5th row. To do this, I'll select 4 existing rows starting from the 6th row. Then right click and choose Insert. And just like that, 4 new rows are instantly added. And that's it, a quick and easy way to insert multiple rows in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.